Yeah, but just now.
Alright, it's rolling. Alright, well, what's going on, guys? My name is Super Mardane, and we are doing a tutorial today about how to start up a Honda lawnmower. And I was doing some cutting today, so anyway, this is how you start. You put your
A lawnmower.
Well, this is a lawnmower. So, guys, first things first, you have to pull this lever down right here where you need to put it down so you can start it up. And here's how you start it up. Is you bring this down.
Pull cord.
And yeah, you pull this down, pull the cord down, and then you pull this right here.
Uh-huh.
I have in my hand, and you have to do it a couple times just to make sure everything gets going.
It's going. Now let go of the, no, I meant just the.
And that's basically start the one, and that's how you run it.
But what happens if you don't pull that thing? Don't pull the thing. What if you don't pull the thing for the wheel?
This.
Test it.
Oh, this.
So the thing that will test the wheel.
Oh, the wheel to make the wheel go faster.
Yeah, try it without it. Okay.
It's hard to pull it.
That's basically it.
That's basically about this thing.
That was nice. Let's do a review on it before we start it.
Alright, this is the review of the
Honda.
It's a Honda Yardman. It's a Honda Yardman.
Has a 5.5 horsepower engine.
It's a 40. It's a A. Is as rated by Honda right here, which they basically rated it. And the fast track features are it's a self-reported.
And watch this. And watch. Put the camera on there.
Where?
On that. Where the fan thing goes.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So guys, yeah, that's basically how you start, because that fan goes into a you know, like a counterclockwise way. And this is my friend Gus right here. Now he's going to be saying to tell you how it works.
Jeez.
Yeah. Is it a little hard to pull it?
It's wanting to. That's it. It's hard to get it going.
Gas is there. Alright now guys, it doesn't really want to start right now.
The throttle needs to be.
Yeah, it needs to. No, down.
Huh?
No, it goes like from here to there.
I know, from here.
Yeah, right there. Then go right now, because it's going right now.
Okay.
Hurry up before you.
Oh!
Did you hear that pop noise?
Yeah, because it pulled back. Okay, we got this all on video. Bye.
Alright, see you guys.